Hey everyone, Jason here. I'm going to show you how to make Scotch eggs. Scotch eggs are soft boiled eggs that are wrapped in a sausage and then we deep fry them in oil. They are awesome. So let's take a look at the ingredients. So here's our ingredients. We're going to make 6 eggs. We have 2 scrambled eggs that we're going to put our balls in. We're going to use Jimmy Dean's regular sausage. If you want to use hot sausage, then by all means choose that. We're going to use some Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. There again, if you want to use non-seasoned, knock yourself out. And then we have some regular flour. And we also have some water boiling. We're going to soft boil these eggs, so we're going to get the water boiling, and then we're going to cook them for 6 minutes. Then we're going to put them on ice water to get them to stop. Okay, we have our water at a nice rolling boil. We're going to put our eggs in for 6 minutes carefully. And then we're going to take them off and put them in ice water. Okay, that's been 6 minutes. We're going to take these off and put them right in ice water to get them to stop cooking. We're going to let those get good and cool before we start to peel them. Okay, we have our 6 eggs soft boiled. Got them peeled. Next step, I'm going to take some sausage, flatten it out in my hand, and I'm going to wrap the egg in it. Then I'm going to go through my stations. I'm going to put a little flour on it. I'm going to put it in the egg. Then I'm going to roll it in the breadcrumbs, and I'm going to put it on the plate. We're going to do all 6, and then once we're done with that, we're going to cook them in the oil. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to take a glob of sausage. That's a technical term, a glob, about that much. We're going to flatten it out a bit. We're going to take one of our eggs, put it right in the middle, and then we're just going to wrap it around and carefully smush and schmeal it around here. And it actually is going pretty well. I'm going to smooth it out a little bit. Next, we're going to roll it in our flour. Just get a decent little coat of flour on it. Next, we're going to put it in the whisked egg. We're going to get a nice little coating on it. And lastly, we're going to put it in breadcrumbs and give it a nice little coating, just like so. And there we go. We're going to put this down and get all 6 of them done. Okay, we have our Scotch eggs all coated in sausage, flour, breadcrumbs. I'm going to put peanut oil in here. I'm going to heat it up to 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook 3 at a time. I'm going to aim for 3-4 minutes on each side, then turn it over. I'm also going to keep an eye on the color, so we're looking for a golden brown, give or take. So, okay, our oil is up to temp, so we're going to start some magic and start frying. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn these over. And we'll just cook them by color. Okay, we got a nice deep golden brown. We're going to take these off. Let them drain a little bit. Try these out. Okay, I'm going to cut this open and see how we did on our Scotch eggs. So it's a little bit soft, it smells amazing. I'm going to cut off a little piece here and give it a try. Well, how come sausage and egg not be good? So anyway, this is amazing. Give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you. Thanks for watching.